Hi, my name's Eli. Today, I'm going to do a walkthrough about the do-it-yourself learning glass. A learning glass is designed for teaching that makes virtual lessons more engaging for learners. Explaining concepts while writing notes or drawing on the learning glass give the feeling of being up close, face-to-face, in the front row of a classroom with the teacher. After understanding how the learning glass works, I set out to create my own version of it on a shoestring budget and had it built using materials one can normally find at the neighborhood hardware store. After recording the teacher explaining and writing on the learning glass while facing the camera, the video footage is later flipped horizontally so that learners can experience what's being explained the way it's supposed to be. This was inspired from the original learning glass invented by Matt Anderson, a professor of physics at San Diego State University. What will you create?